Happy Tuesday. So hopefully you're having an awesome week so far. I know it's only a couple days in, so for today we got a two-for workout for you. So as we get into this warm-up, we've got 4 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 good mornings, 10 plank balance, and then 25 butt kickers. So starting out with those high knees, on the high knees and on the butt kickers, we really want to get that heart rate up, get those lungs burning. We want you to get moving during this one and then slow it down during the stretches in the middle. So on those high knees, get those knees up as high as you can, stay on your toes, use your arms and legs, really get that heart rate up. Right plus left is going to equal 1 on these. So just count that right leg each time as it comes up. Then after if you need a little bit of a modification for the impact, then just do a standing march. And if you need something more in the middle, then just bring your knees up and stay on your toes, but not quite so high. So that gives you some different levels there for those high knees. After the high knees, you're going to do 10 good mornings. So bend at the waist, soft bend in the knees, and really stretch those hamstrings into the glutes here. And really get that good stretch, pull those shoulders back. If you need to on this one, you can also hold on to something, and this will really help you get deeper and help you push those hips back and stay on the heels so you can get a good hamstring stretch through that movement. After your 10 good mornings, you'll do 10 plank balance. Now on these plank balance, I want you to stay on your hands today instead of your forearms. And so you're just going to be in that push-up position and rotating from side to side, really opening up those shoulders as you go. Right in here. If you need to do it off your knees, that's okay. Same thing. Or of course, use that raised platform for a similar motion back and forth here. After the plank balance, we'll finish up with 25 butt kickers. So similar to the high knees, really get those heels back to the butt each time. Go as fast as you can, quick feet, or do more of a stepping back and forth to get those heels to the butt. Or if you need that in between, just about half to 3/4 way to get that range of motion down. So 4 rounds, 25 high knees, 10 good mornings, 10 plank balance, and then 25 butt kickers. So again, go fast and hard on the high knees and the butt kickers to get that heart rate up. And on those exercises in the middle, the good mornings and plank balance, take your time and really get that range of motion to get the stretch that we're looking for. For the workout today, this is where the two-for comes in. We've got 2 8-minute AMRAPs. So you're going to do 8 minutes, as many rounds as possible. Then you'll take a 2-minute rest, and you'll go for another 8 minutes, and you are going to restart that AMRAP for the second round. When you go through this, the goal is to get more rounds in the second round than you do in the first round because you're going to understand your pacing, where you're at, be able to pick it up a little bit more in that second round. So 8 minutes, set a clock, set a watch, whatever you need, grab your phone. Everyone's got one now. And then we're going to be doing 14 air squats, 10 crunches, 6 glute bridges, and 2 diamond push-ups. So starting with those air squats, you're going to be getting your feet about shoulder width apart, point those toes slightly out, push those hips back and down, and then really keep that chest up as you're getting up and down here. From a side view, same thing, get that good range of motion, hip crease below the knee each time, and then stand up. Just make sure you keep that good flat back. If you go too low and everything curves, we don't want you to lose that trunk stability. You can also use your chair or bench to sit and stand on these right in here, or of course, holding on to that object, whatever you need to, door jam, something solid to help you get that depth each time and still keep that chest up. Just make sure as you're going up, you let go as soon as you're able to here. It might be standing up a little bit more before you can let go, but as soon as you can release the tension to your legs instead of holding on, that's just going to help improve that range of motion. After your 14 air squats, we've got 10 crunches. So you're going to be on your back, keep those knees up, hands behind the heads, and then just bring your elbows to your knees. And just keep that crunching motion going for your 10 reps. If you want to cross over your feet or anything like that, that's totally acceptable. You can also do this from a platform where you are bringing your knees into your chest. And just hold on, make sure you've got something. If you're sitting on a chair, the front of a couch, just make sure you hold on so you're not falling over backwards. After your 10 crunches, you've got 6 glute bridges. So again, flat on your back, but this time you're gonna have your feet down with your knees up, and you're just gonna push those hips up into the air and then right back down. And just keep that bridge motion going, really squeezing at your glutes every single time. Also from a platform or a chair, same thing, just push those hips up and down here and really feel that squeeze through the glute in this one. The last exercise is going to be diamond push-ups. So it's that closer hand grip position. You're going all the way down, touch the chest to the hands, and then drive away at the top. Just for 2 reps here. If you need to go from your knees, same thing. Just start flat. If you start flat, that's going to keep your torso straight instead of starting up here where you've got your butt up in the air. We really want the best range of motion possible on that diamond push-up. And of course, if you're doing it from a raised surface, either from your toes or from your knees, either way, as long as there's some resistance on those shoulders to increase your strength and increase your range of motion, that's what we're looking for. So 8-minute AMRAP, 16 air squats, 10 crunches, 6 glute bridges, and then 2 diamond push-ups. You're starting at 14 and then going down by 4 for each one of the exercises. Then take a 2-minute rest after you get as many rounds as possible, and then repeat that 8-minute AMRAP, the goal being to get more reps in the second round than in the first. But you are going to count your total overall reps when you plug it into Beyond the Whiteboard. So that's it. Have fun, go hard, get the best range of motion possible in every single exercise, and really start, if you've been doing this for a little while, really start challenging yourself to get better and better scores. The better you do, the better you're going to feel, the more in shape and fit you're going to be, and you'll raise that confidence all the same. So thanks a lot, guys. Have fun with this one. As always, we're here to help. So if you need anything, give us a call here at Wildfire CrossFit, and we'll get you going. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. I'm Coach Skip signing off. See you tomorrow.